My beautiful angels, this is Mystic Z from Magic Vans Tarot, and this is how your September 2020 will be. Yes, friends, many of you were requesting this reading, so here it is now, friends. Please do subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, like and share, friends, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss a reading, friends. This is a general reading, friends, and this may resonate with you or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, angels, this is it is for September, but you can watch it anytime, even in the future, to confirm if you like, if there is something that's going to happen in September or happened in September, so you can watch it anytime, friends. It's still going to help you, friends. Do subscribe us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. Join our new channel, Magic Vans Tarot Hindi Urdu. The link is in the timestamps. Also, friends, if you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com. So friends, let's not waste any more time, and let's begin. And also, more versions of this reading will be coming when September comes, or right before it. But right now I wanted, you all requested something for the overview, so here it is now. So let's take a deep breath. Relax, take a deep breath, choose option 1, this beautiful pink magenta palm tree. I thought you might be missing holidaying, traveling, friends. So here are the uh, traveling coconutty charms. I know you all miss holidays, travel, all those things. So hope it gives you a traveling, holidaying vibe. Option number 2, this beautiful silver coconut tree. I don't know if you can see it. Option number 3, this green coconut tree. Relax, take a deep breath, choose option 1, option 2, option 3. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section, so you can directly skip there and choose your option. You can also choose more than one pile if you feel drawn towards that. You can watch entire video because this is for September, so more or less the meanings are going to resonate. So friends, for those who chose option number 1, let's see this beautiful magenta palm tree. Let's see how your month will be. This is the advice for you, and this is the extra messages, spirit guides message and advice for September. Let's see your cards. Wow, Ace of Pentacles, the 10 of Pentacles. This is nice. Oh my god, the 10 of Swords. Whew. The 6 of Wands. Nice. I don't think so you can see the cards. Sorry for that. Hope this is better. And the King of Cups, the 4 of Cups, Unfinished Symphony, number 10, and the Soul Tribe, number 8. Very nice. Very, very nice. So let's see, friends, what's going to happen in your month of September. Oops. I feel, friends, currently you are dealing with a lot of endings, a lot of pressure, a lot of challenges. I feel like you are struggling at the moment. There are a lot many things, like, you are tired right now. You are frustrated. You are also into many endings, like you are ending a relationship, or a relationship has ended recently. I also feel you have a job has ended, or you are just fed up of a job or this current world situation. This is about endings. This is about weight. This is about challenges. This is you feeling suppressed, you feeling like this is the right now energy, you feeling very, very betrayed, very unhappy. Also, you feeling like life is not going as you want. I feel like you have ended a job, or you have ended a relationship, or someone has ended a relationship with you, or someone has, there are some work issues, financial issues, family issues, friends. Please rest assured, this is only going to be in August for you, because in September you are going to get a powerful new start. Angels, congratulations. Some relief is absolutely going to come your way, whether it is in career or in love, but it is going to come. Some relief, some new beginning, some out of the blue luck is going to come your way. I see money coming your way, money or financial news coming, or some career news coming your way, friends. Some victory is going to come to you, and this is destined. This is going to make you feel very happy. Right now you may feel like you don't have enough options in life, nothing exciting is happening. You may be feeling a little disappointed or bored, or just like, oh, it's the same old story. That's why I keep adding these, just to give you some excitement in life, just to make you happy. So I think some of you are also missing traveling or going somewhere, whether it's meeting your friends or family, cousins, your grandparents. I see that you're missing them right now. Like how fun it was if we could go to our grandparents' house, meet them, enjoy, you're missing all those things because of the world situation. I think it's going to change, friends. Some relief is going to come in September for you. In work, I see a new situation or a new job, or some new venture is coming your way. Maybe it could be an idea, or it could be like some form of a, if you are already working, there can be some relief coming in your work. If you are looking for job, there is a strong chance of you finding your job, or some idea or some business ideas. If you are a student, I definitely see you're working very hard and you are not taking rest, but in September, your hard work is going to pay off. Some victory is going to come your way. I know you are going to say, many of you are like really doubtful. Friends, if you doubt, you are cutting your own blessings. It's not like you are affecting my reading or anything. I'm just a medium. I'm just a channeler. I can only channel it to you. It's up to you to bring it into fruition. It is up to you to bring it into reality, because these are the energies already there. And for some of you, it's absolutely going to happen. Some relief is going to be there. I also see there will be a new recovery in your money sector, in finances. I also see, like, you maybe you will get a business idea, or someone, maybe some family business you will start or join. I also see in your education there is going to be a lot of success, especially in your education. There will be a lot of success, and your hard work, something you are preparing for, some exams, for some jobs, you are going to be successful in that, friends. Absolutely, a lot of success is coming, good news is coming, forward progress is coming, relief is coming. In love, I feel you could be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or you could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I also feel you could be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, or and Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. You could be dealing with these sun signs, or you could be these sun signs. I feel like, firstly, you will have some amazing times with your family. If there are issues with family or in your marriage, they will heal in September. They will resolve. You will spend more time, some celebrations coming with family, or you will meet your family. They will travel to you, or you will travel towards them. I also feel like there is a relationship which is not going well right now. There is an ending, or things are at its worst right now. But in August, I keep getting October, so maybe there is something about October. I don't know, I keep getting October. So maybe there is this relation. Maybe someone is born in October, or maybe this trend will be from September to October for you. So I feel the ending, if you are ending a relationship or a relationship is testing you or it's not going well, whether it is a marriage, a twin flame connection, or any other connection, friends, I feel there will be some relief coming, some victory coming, some offers of love coming your way. Absolutely, you are going to find your soul tribe. Number eight, destined connections, destiny. I definitely feel if you are single, you are feeling very, very single or very alone. It's like you sometimes feel like everyone has family. Where is your family? I think September will show you who is your family and will extend your family to some new friendships or new soulmates coming your way. I definitely see a love proposal is going to happen. I also feel you could be proposing someone, friends. And if you are doing so, I see you will be successful because you have the six of wands, so I see success there. And if someone is proposing you or initiating friendship, you are going to say yes, my dear, yes, 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 ooh la la. I think it's going to be a great month and it's going to bring you relief. I also feel if you are married, your relationship will improve, or if you are worried about your husband, wife, twin flame, lover, ex-lovers, work, career, or their family, I think some relief is going to come. Family is affecting your love life, but it won't do so in September. You will find some relief. I feel also that some of you are planning to get married or you are looking for a life partner. I think regarding marriage, if you are single and wanting to get married, there will be some confusions in September. Absolutely. Things won't be clear like whom you will marry. Should you marry the person you are with right now or people your family is suggesting? So some confusion will be there. Choices are coming in September and there will be some confusion. Also, this is a very easygoing month. I do not see any ups and downs in this month, so you may feel a little bored, like, yeah, because because up till from January to August this year has been like woo 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 woo. It's like a game. It's like the end game movie we are watching. So you are going to feel a little bored this month, maybe because like it's nothing exciting, or like everything is so usual. How come everything is so usual? So I think you may miss out some great things in this month if you are too bored or not taking action, or too much focused on the past endings. You can miss out a lot of blessings in August, in September. I think it's in August also. I think like you're a little too focused on the past. So you may be missing out on the good things. So in September, you really need to focus on the forward movement. You need to believe in yourself. You need to try accept the love offers or try to talk to people. There is also unfinished symphony number 10. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 21, 31 are important for you. I also feel March, April and October are important. I definitely see you learning something new in September. Like you may be learning some music, singing, craft, art. I also feel you working on your enhancing your talents or skills, like your work skills. Some of you could be wanting to go to abroad, or some news is coming from abroad regarding education or work, like online work, but the people are situated abroad. You could start online working in September. Yeah, that's also what I'm getting. You could start working online, or you may start learning some new tricks or some new things, like you start a meme page or blogging or something, fashion page or something, and it will excite you. I also feel someone from your past is coming, or the relationship which is currently not going well. There is an unfinished symphony. There are things which are not yet finished and they may come back in September. But it will confuse you because there will be new things, there will be old things, so there will be choices. You may feel a little confusion. But I feel like you should be bold and choose what you feel is right. That will be the biggest block of challenge of September for you. Firstly, it is like you will have to believe in yourself. You will have to really, really believe in yourself, because a lot of good things are coming, but you may not accept them because you do not believe they are for you or it will happen for you. So don't do that. Secondly, is that there will be choices, there will be decisions. That's another challenge. Why? Because people from past are coming. A friend is coming whom you had a misunderstanding. I feel a sister-in-law, mother-in-law, father-in-law, someone in family is also coming whom you had a misunderstanding with. There will be new friendships also coming. Some of you are going to find like two best friends, and it's like, oh, wow, wow, what's happening? My best friend, the past one you had a misunderstanding. There is another new one coming your way, and you're like, ooh. But yeah, they are all your soul tribe. They are all coming your way because there is a reason, and you also have to go towards them. It's not like you can sit in your home and they are gonna all drop into your DMs or into your emails and say hi. That also happens, but still I see in September you moving out, you traveling, you also going, meeting people, talking with people, telling people like if you need a job, you should tell people you are looking for a job instead of telling like I don't have a job. I don't have a job. That's not going to help. What's going to help is, see, I'm looking for a job. Can you suggest me something? You're getting my point? And I see, yeah, you are going to feel a lot of emotions, and a lot of money also, or stability or security. I think this is missing from your life because there is so much of endings. You are literally tired right now in August. But September will give you relief, emotional peace, harmony, happiness, and a lot of soul connection, soul tribe. So you can count on the people, you can trust them. You can go out and meet people, but you may not trust them. That's another challenge I'm getting in September. I think you can trust people. I also see some of you are going to buy a lot of outfits or change your look, especially if you are a guy or a man or a woman. I see you changing or playing with your hairstyles, your looks, or doing something very risky like, getting a tattoo or trying out a new sport or something. I see you doing something exciting. It will make you feel nice. It will make you feel like some of you could start blogging, online work. It will be challenging, but it will be exciting. So let's see what is the advice for you, and then we are going to see the spirit guides message for you for September. You are being helped. Heaven is working behind the scenes to help you, even if you don't see the results yet. I told you, friends, I have to tell you again and again this thing because I'm trying to convince you, because you are not convinced, and angels know that. You are being helped. You are here. You are here. Look at this. That's not happy, with 10 swords in your back. You are lying on the ground, sweating, defeated. That's not, and there is darkness here. So you are focusing on this. You are not 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 focusing on the music, the love, the joy, the happiness coming your way or is about to come your way. Angels assure you, you are being helped. Heaven is working behind the scenes to help you, even if you don't see the results yet. So trust, friends, trust and take action. Believe in yourself. Don't believe my words, but believe in your power. You have a lot of power. Believe in it. And together, all of us together, me, Magic Vans Tarot, our community, everyone here is with you. So believe in that. Let's see what's your spirit guide's message. Adjustments are required, third quarter moon. Yeah, I do feel like there will be some sort of adjustment required, especially in relationships. You may not be happy about it. Like there is past people coming back, friendships or lovers, twin flames, or some sort of you have to accept the past some way. Like if it's over, you have to accept it. If they are coming back, you might have to adjust with them or give them some space or see what they want to tell you and then decide what to do about it. So some adjustments are required from you, but it will lead you to this new start. You are already towards this new start, so you have nothing to worry about. Some adjustments will be needed, like choices. I told you choices. You have a lot of choice coming. You will have to take some action. Even though you don't know what will happen, you will still have to be bold, passionate. You will have to follow your heart, and you will have to trust people, or at least take a risk of trusting them. So some adjustments are required with family and in relationships, but I see you overall doing very well in September. So that's it for now. Please do subscribe Magic Vents Tarot friends. Like this video, subscribe our channel if you have already done so. Thank you so much. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. I post a lot there, and also you can get notifications of the YouTube videos, super fast alerts there. Before posting, I post there of the upcoming videos. So yes, and join us on Instagram Magic Vents Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. This is Mystic C saying bye. So for those who chose option number 2, this beautiful silver palm tree, let's see how your month of September will be, friends. I'm super excited. This is a quick look into September. More detailed September readings will be coming later. So this is all on your request. Do subscribe, friends, and like this video. This is your spirit guides message. This is your advice for the month of September. Let's see your cards. Wow, Ace of Swords, Five of Cups, Three of Pentacles, the Knight of Wands, ooh la la, the World, ooh, Three of Swords, oh my god, Poised, Yang, ooh, number 1, that's amazing. Friends, I definitely feel that's the reason I'm doing this reading early, so that you all can find some relief, because I feel times are a little tough. I don't know, something is wrong with my camera, or I don't know, it's the focus, I don't know. Let's try. It happens, friends, it happens when you use things too much. So let's see. Friends, I'm doing this reading because I know you all are going through a lot of at this moment in August. It's not been easy. So I feel like currently you're not feeling very happy. You feel a little lost, a little sad, a little heartbroken. It's like you are in a long distance relationship with everything right now, like work, with love, or you feel like everything you want is on the other side and it's not achievable, or it's impossible to achieve those dreams. I also feel someone has really hurt you, really hurt you, or life has hurt you. I don't know what it is that's causing you this pain, but it is there, friends. It is there. You feel like someone has hurted you, stabbed you in the back. There is this sadness, friends. There is a sadness. There is a pain in your heart right now. I feel it is not just about love. It is like you feel sad because work is not coming, or money is not coming like it used to. Things are changing, or you feel stuck. You feel like nobody is with you, nobody is supporting you. I feel this is your current energy. But in September, things are going to change for you, friends. Absolutely. You are going to find people who will support you and work with you, or who are willing to help you out in your situation. If you are struggling with money or job situation, I see someone can help you. Someone is coming towards to help you, but it is up to you to ask them to help you. Someone, or some family members, some friends, or some colleagues, or someone, anyone random can also help you. So stay open for that. I also feel that, let's talk about work first. I feel that you are disappointed with work, you are disappointed and hurt, and some of you are also not connecting with your work, or you are like you don't have any work right now, or you are struggling with the current work, yeah, or if you are a student, you just don't feel ready for the job or the education you are doing. You feel disappointed. But I feel things are going to change, friends. September is going to bring you a beautiful, fresh start, or rather say a relief, a breakthrough. things are going to shift from you. You are in this this sadness, this bubble of sadness. It's going to burst open for you, because you also have the Ace of Swords. So I see this vision where there is a bubble, you are caught in it. It is sad, it is full of problems, but September, it will be like this bubble will pop, and things will start getting better for you. I see you stepping out of your comfort zone. It is very necessary for you to step out of your comfort zone. It is very, very necessary, friends. It is necessary. I also see, tough situations are ending for you, and you are going to find breakthroughs. You are going to find absolutely amazing breakthroughs. If you are struggling with health issues, you will find relief there. If you are struggling with money issues, some sort of a help or support is going to come your way, or someone may help you out, get you a job, or collaborate with you, or sponsor you some way. Something, money is coming your way, or they will give you ideas how you can make more money, etc. Also, I feel like if you are dealing with legal issues, you can find some recovery, some relief, because I feel there is some custody issues or divorce. Sorry to say, but some of you may be dealing with those things, or someone has hurted you, so you want justice. It is coming. Some of you are just done with the past. You are just absolutely done with the past, and you don't want it. And that's exactly what September is going to bring you, this beautiful, sparkling happiness, a new relief, no more past worries, no more people or challenges from the past, a clean slate, a fresh start, a breakthrough. In love, I feel an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person could be coming your way, or an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. This person is going to come very quickly towards you, and they are going to really sweep you off your feet. Or this person will be, if you are single or looking for new love, this person is going to be very different than what you are expecting. So you will be a little surprised when they come, and relieved, but this person will be different than what you are expecting, or what they are different, opposite of yours. Like they are Aries, you are Libra, or something. Like they are Capricorn, you are Cancer, or they are Cancer, you are Capricorn, or whatever. They are opposites, but I feel like this will help you. You will feel excited when they come. When this new person comes, you'll feel excited, you'll feel happy. They will want to work with you on this new partnership. They will help you. It will give you some relief to forget this heartache, or to step away from it for some time. It's different for some of you. May end up in a relationship with this person, or some of you may just be friends with this person, because you don't want to focus on this hurt, this pain. I feel this could be your colleague, or someone you work with, or someone you met online, but they could be from a different city, country entirely. They are very different. They are very open, they are loving, they are kind, and very passionate. For others, I do feel, if you haven't had a heartache yet in August, sorry to say, friends, for 10 to 12% or 10 to 20% of you, a heartbreak or hurt can happen in the month of September. Because I feel it has already happened for most of you, and you are not at all going to accept the past back. But for some of you, you are right now here a little sad and disappointed, but in September there can be a heartache or some third party situations that happen in your love life. So you have to be a little careful. You have to trust your instincts. You have to trust, you have to trust yourself. That's what I do. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Like, I don't know how to explain this. It's like you have some, how do I say this? Angels, how do I say this? If there may be someone who might break your trust, or someone may break your trust, or It could be a family member, it could be a husband or a wife or a twin flame, or someone who has broken your trust could come back into your life. But it is up to you to decide what to do, because you are poised, you have a lot of self confidence, or you should have a lot of self confidence and faith on yourself in September. You can achieve anything. You do not have to accept anything less just because you doubt yourself. I see like you're accepting things which are below you or not good for you, and it can happen again in September. Sorry to say that, but it can happen in September. So be careful, friends. Stay very, very positive. Stay proud of yourself and accept only things or only people or relationships which are worth your time and which are perfect for you, because you will have both. You will have people who want to work with you and fix things, and there will be someone who may be from your past and they still want to put you on a third party, or they just want to come in and play some mind games, or they just want to come in for some quick, you know what I mean. That's what I was not trying to say there. So, because YouTube is a beautiful community, we respect that. So you have to be careful. Someone may be coming in just for with their mind games, with their, oh, I'm the butterfly, I'm the social butterfly, I love everybody, let me love you, baby, let me love you, nibba nibbies, whatever. So something exciting will come, friends. Someone from your past can also come, someone new will also come. It will up to you to choose the right person and the right relationships, because you have the self confidence, you are the super achiever, and you have to believe in yourself, friends. I definitely see you are currently dealing with underconfidence. So step out of your comfort zone, travel a little, if not, read some books. That is what I would suggest you in September. Right now also, read some books, step out of your comfort zone, be open to new kind of people, and take action. Yang, someone very, very powerful could come your way, and you also need to believe in your power, friends. Trust. You are here crying on things like, oh, nothing will happen, nothing. Even right now you are telling, oh, she's just saying it, Mystic says it's not going to happen. Friends, it is going to happen, it's already there, but you have to take action. You will get these ideas, your intuition, your ideas will be guiding you. There will be these signs, you will get a lot of signs in September, but you will have to act on those signs. New opportunities or opportunities which you need in education and work and love are coming, but you will have to accept them and grab them before anybody else does, because there will be competition, especially in work. There will be competition. There can be gossip at work, and in education there will be competition. So get ready, get yourself moving, get ready, prepare. If you are looking for, like, if there is an interview call in September, prepare well, friends, prepare well, because competition is there, but if you prepare well, you will win. I also see that you'll find a lot of relief in September. Lot of relief. Let me just clarify. Angels, what else will happen in September for pile number 2? Because there is this 3 of Swords which I don't like and I want to clarify. Wow, see, things are coming together for you. You have to believe, you have to trust, you have to take action. Things are coming. 2 of Cups, partnerships are coming for you, maybe with someone new, maybe with a twin flame. If you are already dealing married or something, there will be some trust issues you might have to discuss. Some of you may leave, sorry to say that, but some of you may decide to end a third party situation or end a situation which is not favoring you. Again, base chakra, power, yang, number 1. This is the same, 2 different decks, same, yang. Base chakra, power issues, believe in your power, do not settle for something less, because there is an option, friends, there is an option in September. You can settle for something less if you are in a situation where someone is just using you for or coming and going and you don't feel happy. Take action. If you believe you have already been there, move ahead. Someone new is coming. change your focus. See, Five of Cups, Five of Cups. You have repeating cards, friends. You have to believe this. I see you are not believing it. You have to believe something better is on its way, and you can change your focus and you can achieve what you are planning to. I think it's time in September. I would suggest you to read some new books, talk to more people online, and believe, and believe in your power. Believe in your power. Try new things out, learn new things, new skills, online if possible, and if possible you can go around your neighborhood, then try that. But definitely healing is going to happen. This heartache is going to be healed, and if you believe in your power, it's going to heal very, very quickly for you. I definitely see like something will, some things will end, but better things are coming. Much better things are coming. Someone from the past may also return. They will want to work things out, heal this heartache. See how it goes. It's a general reading. I can't comment on it right now because this is just an overview reading. But someone will come who will try to heal, but it's up to you whether you will accept them or not. Most of you, 90% of you, I do not see you going back to the past. You are done with it, absolutely done with it. You are here, you want new, you want charge. I think some of you are going to attract someone very beautiful, very, very sexy, very sassy. But just be careful. There is a lot of sex, there is a lot of passion, fire burning. So just stay calm and stay patient. Let's see your advice. Father healing, your personal power increases as you give any father related issues to heaven. See, again, healing card, again, power related issues. This is about power. This is about power. Oh my God, friends, September is you connecting with your inner confidence, you connecting with your power, with your passions, you going after your dreams, you believing that you can attract that marriage, that relationship, that love, that dream, that goal. You believe in yourself. And that's exactly what I'm trying to tell you. I also see if someone is not behaving right, you will get the courage to speak up to them. I see pile number 2, you guys are amazing. You are very soft spoken, you are very beautiful, you don't like fighting, arguing, but in September you will connect with your power and you will either walk away from things which are no longer serving you, or you will stand up and say, see, this is not how it is done. It's not fair. You will speak up. Your personal power increases as you give any father related issues to heaven. Your power is increasing, friends, and your heart is healing. Congratulations. Great month ahead. Let's see your spirit guides message. Expect powerful change. New moon and eclipse. Wow. Powerful changes are coming your way, friends. You have to trust and believe it. So do not wait or focus too much on the endings. I would suggest you to read some books or watch our videos again and again. I think this will help you to gain new information, new clarity. Maybe you should go back and watch the August pick a card readings, or I think it will help you. So expect powerful changes. This is going to be your month of September is the month you become the super ninja, the superhero or the superheroine of your life. I am so excited and so happy. That's it for now, friends. Please do subscribe Magic Vans Tarot. Like this video, friends. Let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com. And this is Mystic C saying bye. So for those who chose option number 3, this beautiful green palm tree, let's see what's your message for September. This is your spirit guides message for the month of September. This is your advice for the month of September. Let's see your cards. You chose a beautiful green palm tree. Wow, High Priestess. Wow. Dreams, intuition, 7 of Pentacles. Ooh, look at this. Party. We wanna party. We wanna party. I don't know which song is it. It's from a song. Oh yeah, Brazil. It's from the Brazil song. I think you are going to have a party, a celebration. Yay, nice. Go out and listen to the Brazil song. It's a party song, and I hope you have a happy. You enjoy listening it, you know. Ooh, the Knight of Cups. Wow. The Empress. Two major arcanas. Interesting. Oh my God, the Two of Cups. I know now some of you are going to doubt this reading and say very, very quickly that I have picked these cards out myself. Friends, I do not have that much of time. Trust me, and it's very tough. There are lots of cards. It's tough to even pick out the right cards for you to give it like to make it look like a perfect reading. What is a perfect reading? Tell me. There are no perfect readings, you know. I mean, there can never be. If I wanted to, if this is. Now think about it. If I wanted to pick cards out myself, I would put a Ten of Cups here also. I would also put a Ten of Pentacles. So I would say you get money and everything, you know. So that's cherry picking, but we don't do that here on Magic Wednesday Tarot. Imagine. Wow. Friends, I think you have the best pile in all the 3 September readings. Wow. You are in for some luck, friends, and no wonder you chose this beautiful green. I think luck is with you, showers of blessings are with you, money is coming your way, friends. Yes, you are waiting for it, you are waiting for this money, or you are waiting for something to come your way. So there is something you are waiting for. Some of you are waiting for money. Some of you are waiting for, like, you have done a project, so you are waiting for that promotion, or you are waiting for a new job or extra money, or you are waiting for some news regarding your education. Like, you know, you have given the exams. Now you are waiting for a paid internship or something, so you are like, with all the world issues, when will I be paid, where will I do the internship, how will I be paid, or some peer, you know, something about research also is here, like you want to apply for research, or you want some fellowships coming your way. I think it's going to happen in September. Yes, friends, a lot of blessings, at least celebrations are coming. Something will happen. Maybe it's your birthday in September, maybe it's your best friend's birthday in September, maybe it's your family member's birthday, or you know, maybe it's your anniversary or something in September. So, or something will happen that will give you some celebration, some happiness, you know, some happy vibes, like Brazil song, you know, it's like we wanna party. So I don't know if that's from Brazil, but I keep getting that song Brazil, like you are dancing, having a fun time. Maybe you don't go out and party, but you can still enjoy with the music in your house, in your room, and feel like it's a party. That's what we all have been doing in this whole world situation, isn't it, friends? Put on the music, put on the lights in the room, and it's a party. Or you can watch our videos, it's a party too. Okay, so friends, let's start. You're also going to get a lot of creative ideas. A lot of your creativity will be on fire. Some of you are going to work on your creative ideas. Like, some of you could turn your creative ideas into businesses, or if you are already working, you will feel very creative. You will expand your work, expand your business, you know. You will feel very charged up in September, very energized, very happy. And some of you also, I feel like someone in the family could be pregnant, or like you, if you are married and wanting to expand family, it can happen in the month of September for you. I also feel like some of you are going to connect more with spirituality in September. You are going to learn spiritual, like yoga, Reiki, healing, all those things, or maybe read about crystals, or maybe you'll buy something. I definitely feel very you know, a lot of dreams, a lot of messages coming your way in September. I also feel your manifestations will be on fire, friends, in the month of September. You are going to really, you know, anything you think or want or desire now, it can happen in September, because you have this green luck with you. You have the ability to manifest anything, imagine, and it can happen. Ask and you shall receive. You know, these sayings are made for a reason because they work. It's like the mantras, they are very, very powerful. I also see that some of you could be going for higher education, or you could be going back to school if you are a mother, or if you are if you are a parent, you are not yet working, or you are busy with kids. I see you going back to school or colleges, learning something new. Maybe some of you, if you are if you are a mother, or I don't know, I keep getting maybe your mother or father are going to learn computers, gadgets, or something new technology, some new technology. It's going to excite them, it's going to excite you also. I also feel twin flames will be it will be an important month for twin flames, especially pile number 3 for you. If you have a twin flame, expect a lot of telepathic communications, a lot of messages coming your way. I also feel an offer of love is coming your way. A partnership is going to get better, deeper, and more harmonious. If you are already in a relationship, expect some celebration. If you are single, you can meet your spiritual partner or a spiritual mentor, someone. I think like it is two ways. I feel like some of you are looking for a mentor or someone to guide you, or spiritually, maybe some mentor, someone is coming who will help you, or maybe you are going to mentor someone. Like there is an age gap here, so student, child, teacher, and mentor, teacher and student relationship is there. I also feel romance can happen at offices with your work colleagues. So partnerships are very important for you in the month of September. I also feel even if you are single and not looking for love, there can be love proposals coming your way and you just can't help it. People can't help falling in love with you. I think some of you are going to propose me. That was just a joke, friends. Don't do that. Don't take it seriously. I was just kidding, because look at the cards. I think some of you are quite enjoying your singlehood, or you're quite doing well in your life. You're happy, and someone is watching you, a secret admirer, a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. Look at this cup of love, this roses on the dress. I definitely feel someone is trying to propose you or win you in September, or you may propose someone, friends, because there is this imagine. Some of you can manifest a life partner or a relationship, or some of you can get your crush to say hi to you, and it will make you ooh, like ooh. So a lot is happening, friends. I feel like this is the month of partnerships, of friendships, developing, working with people, working on your creativity, working on your already things you're working on. You will be working on those things. I do not see you starting anything new. So what is the challenge? Let's see that. The challenge is that there will be some weight. All these exciting celebrations, this love offer, this crush, these good news, I think they will be coming by the mid of September, or there will be some wait. If you are waiting for messages, there will be some wait. Secondly, another block is if you are looking for something new. I think rather than new things, you will expand, at least in work, education, you will expand on things which you are already working on. Thirdly, if you are waiting for money, I see it coming by mid of month. I don't see it coming in the first week. I see it coming by mid of month. I also see you becoming very chubby, very lovely. You're going to really enjoy your body, your hair, your mind. Some of you could also be starting to eat better or eat a lot. Like, I see you getting chubby, happy, beautiful, even if you are a man. You may not feel like working out, so watch out, that's a block. People say, it's all happy. It's not happy, friends. It's just that you have to listen more carefully. So make sure to listen to my readings 3-4 times, because that's when you get the real message. If you listen at once, you can miss a lot. If you listen it twice, you can get 50% messages more. If you listen it thrice, you can get even more message. If you listen it 10 times, you can decode everything that's here. It's like a coded message. Whew. So if I think you might feel a little lazy. Sorry to say that in September you might feel like, yeah, everything is going fine. Why do I need to work out? I need to like wine and dine. I don't want to work out, and that's the energy. So if you are planning to lose some weight in September, friends, you might have to hit the gyms. You might have to hit the road to get some activity or push yourself. Like, okay, let's. Or you might have to imagine yourself getting fitter, getting better. Your manifestations are going to work. I also feel some of you can propose someone and it will surprise you. I also feel there is a long distance relationship with age gap. That person will come back, or like things will get better with that person. This person could be your twin flame. Let's take an extra message because Imagine is here. Let's take that. What else for September for pile number 3, angels? What else for September? Wow, moving on. See? You are moving away, friends. You are moving away, and you are letting go of things which are no longer working. You are going to move towards this amazing relationship, this amazing creativity, positive health, higher intuition, higher intelligence also. I also see some of you could be learning something like if there is a subject which is difficult for you, you are going to crack it, or exams which are difficult for you, you are going to crack it, because September is that energy where you move away from failures, you are moving away from waiting, you are moving into what? Love, happiness, manifestations, creativity. Number 2022, 13, 11, 4 and 2 are important. I feel February is also important. Let's see your messages, advice. Wow, a new dawn is here. The worst is now behind you, and positive new experiences are on the horizon. Friends, a lot of positive things are coming your way. You have to trust and believe that this is going to happen for you, and you have to trust your intuition. I think you will be shown the signs what to do next. You should take them. Let's see your spirit guides message. The end of a tough cycle approaches, full moon in Capricorn. Oh my God. Friends, you had been through a lot. No wonder you have such good cards. You had been through you had been through like everything. The end of a tough cycle, a new dawn. You know, things are going to expand for you, I think, rather than, I think this waiting, you are waiting. Some of you are waiting since 9 years for a job, or for money, or for a relationship, or for getting married, or for a baby. 9 years, 6 years, 7 years, 2 years, 3 years, 6 months. You're waiting. And that's what's going to change in September. No more waiting. No more waiting. Luck, this beautiful green, is with you. Your manifestations are going to work. Some long dream or desire is going to come true for you, friends, and that's amazing. Congratulations. I'm super happy for you. And that's it for now, friends. Please do subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share, and do let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com, friends, and join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. This is Miss Tixie saying bye.